Friday night, we embarked on a night mission, and the mission was to try to take over Colville, and that actually didn't go out. That didn't go anywhere as well as anyone could have ever thought in their wildest imaginations. We started the assault at around twilight, so there was still a little bit of light out, but I mean, with the fairly large amount of people we had, it was really hard to go undetected. And yeah, we were just pretty much out in the open. The only place to hide was mounds, and so we were just getting cut down. I know at one point, half the squad, oh no, I'm sorry, 3/4 of the squad was down. We only had about 4 guys that were actually able to return fire. And even then, it was, if anyone stood up, they were immediately hit. I remember Adam, my golden ticket winner, coming over to medic somebody, and as he was trying to medic them, I told him to get down, and right as I told him to get down, he took a shot to the helmet and he was just dropped. And at that point, I knew we were pretty much screwed. Because of the nighttime operations and the inexperience of some, we got disorganized, and what became a full-size squad ended up splitting into a small section of guys, and we tried to do a flanking maneuver around Colville to try and, in hopes of either hitting Colville from the rear or ambush any troop movements moving from Colville towards our guys. Unfortunately, that really didn't work out for us.
So our nighttime operations just did not go well. I think the inexperience of some, and we were just too loud, and it just didn't work out. But you know, one of the cool things about the night game though was the blackout helo gun run. Eric and Frosty from AMS, they went up at night with tracer units and NVGs and just started shooting down rain on all unsuspecting players during the night. It was really cool.
Hey, smoke out, smoke out!
Hey, let's go! Fucking victory on 3! 1, 2, 3, victory!